Alright. Ooh, let's do that. Let me fix it real quick. Alright. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today is how I basically lost. Today is how I lost like $1.90 trading the NASDAQ. Basically break even. I went break even today. So let's get into it. I only took one trade. Oh, let me fix the camera. I'm not trying to make that mistake again. Okay. So make this a little smaller. Okay, so let's go over here. Go over here. All right, so let's get into this. So right here, this is what I was thinking today. I had a bullish bias because of the government shutting down, and when that happens, you see very volatile like spikes and stuff out of market. We were at all-time highs too, so I was thinking, you know what? I was thinking bullish here, so that's what I was thinking. Right here, we had a PD array zone. So first we had this change in state of delivery. So I had this bearish order block marked out. Then I also had this inverse fair value gap right here, and this served as a PD array zone. I don't think price was ever going to go back up above that. Well, maybe it was, but I wasn't thinking like during that sequence, during this like range, it wasn't going to. So, and if it did, I would have been really strong bullish, and I probably would have looked to buy right away out of 9:30 open, but it didn't. Price shot down after being rejected by this order block, and then this inverse fair value gap. It goes into this PD array zone right here. This this middle zone shoots down. I had these relative equal highs right here, and then I had these relative equal lows. Price targeted these, went down, then price went down through these. So I was thinking, okay, let's look for a buy here. And this is where it gets a little choppy. So right here, I marked up this fair value gap. And price respected this move up right here, and went down, and then I saw this fair value gap, and I decided to enter off this one because I didn't actually mark this out, but also right here it is a breaker structure. So I was thinking, okay, let's look for a buy here. Let's look for a buy, and what I targeted was this candle high right here. Then I got into the trade. I put my stop loss below this candle low at first. I changed it later. Obviously, I went break even. I got out of the trade. Because I put my stop loss right here when price is like up here. I think more like up here. So I put my stop loss at break even. Or actually, no, it's more of like here. I put my stop loss at break even. And I was like, okay, market's really choppy. I don't expect this to be the cleanest movement ever to my TP, and I don't expect it to fully get there because of obviously the government shutting down and my fundamental analysis being really choppy, right? So this manipulation, I thought this manipulation right here was going to reverse and go back up, but it really didn't. It slowly did, but not really. Yeah, basically this trade, I wasn't really emotional during it. I took it in class, and I was just like, dang, because it goes from here to down to here to down, almost like a seek and destroy. But obviously, no, it was making lower. It was just bouncing back up, down, and then made a lower low, shot down. And I was able to get out about right here at break even. So, what do I think about this trade? I didn't think this necessarily was a bad trade. I like this trade a lot. I like the setup. I had good psychology behind it. It's just the time wasn't right because of the government shutting down. and that makes the price super hard to predict. It makes it super choppy like this. Like, it's super hard to trade when prices like this, and it's just super like weird. You know what I mean? So yeah, I didn't feel bad. I mean, I'm happy I was able to get out at break even. Even if the trade would have hit my TP when I got out at break even, I'm fine with that because I'm like, I don't want to risk losing money for something stupid like that. You know what I mean? But yeah, okay. So let's go to here. So one thing I was confused about, I think last video I went over news. Last video, there was unemployment. I think it was unemployment rate, where it was this. I don't forget. I forget which one. I'm pretty sure it was unemployment. It was scheduled for Thursday, so it was scheduled for today. It got changed to tomorrow, and it's tentative. Now, when I see this, I'm like, okay, I do not want to know when news is coming out. I'm gonna try to trade during London session tomorrow because I do not want to trade. I do not want to be in a trade when I don't know when news is going on. You know what I mean? I don't want to know that. I don't want to like be in a trade and then unemployment rates come out or non-farm employment change or average hourly earnings come out, and it just takes me out right away. You know what I mean? Obviously, it could also go straight to my TP, but I don't want to risk it, right? So I'm gonna try to trade during London session and see if I can catch a good trade there to end the week. Because this week has been really good. So yeah. So thank y'all for watching. Have a great and blessed day. So tomorrow's video will probably be out early. I'll see. There might not be a video because I might not be able to catch a trade during London session, but I'll try to. So have a great day, y'all, and see you later.